Here's a quick video of the fully functional seat features. Here goes the seat belt. We shot it the other day, but it was a little too dark. Couldn't really tell when stuff was moving or not. So here we go. Here are the electric bolsters. Sorry for the dinging, that's just the way it is. Closing in. Releasing. And the lumbar, you can hear it. You can see it push it out there. There's the release. And here is the forward back. All the way up, all the way down, and the rear tilt, and the front tilt. And we'll go over to the other side. Fortunately, the other side won't give us any delay in the dinging. It'll be dinging immediately, so apologize in advance for that. Goes the belt. Lumbar. We'll do the bolster first. In. Release. Lumbar. Release. And here is forward back. Straight up. Straight down. Forward tilt. Back tilt. And that is everything.